SSD or HDD. They both store your files, but they work very differently. Let's find out which one is right for you. This is an HDD. It stores data on spinning disks, just like a tiny record player inside your computer.
An SSD has no moving parts. It stores data on memory chips, making it much more modern.
Need speed? SSDs start your computer and open apps much faster than HDDs. Indeed, because HDDs have moving parts, they can be damaged more easily if dropped. SSDs are much tougher. HDDs can make clicking or spinning sounds while working. SSDs are completely silent. Here's the trade-off. HDDs usually cost less and offer more storage. SSDs cost more but give much better performance. If you love gaming, editing videos, or fast work, choose an SSD. If you just need lots of storage, an HDD is still a great choice. The best setup? Use an SSD for Windows and your favorite apps, and an HDD for photos, videos, and backups. Now you know the difference between SSD and HDD. Which one do you use? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Master the digital world with confidence. We explore advanced tech skills together. Let us innovate and grow.